Hi everyone, so today I'm doing a video on Etsy versus Shopify. If you haven't already, please check out my Etsy video. It is pros and cons and is it worth it? So I'm gonna give my honest opinion here, straight up. I think they're very amazing platforms, both of them. They both have different pros and cons, but they are both amazing and they do complement each other if you wanted to do both. But I wouldn't recommend doing both until you are an established business. For starters, I would recommend Etsy for anyone starting out and doing handmade items. I wouldn't recommend Etsy for those that already have a website, for example, that do sell quite mainstream products like scrunchies, bows, that sort of thing. If you're already established, you're already driving your own traffic, I probably wouldn't head to Etsy to sell your items as well, because you're just going to end up with a lot of fees and you may not even get found in search. If you are an established business and you're doing well with your website, but you have a different product, like something very specific, earrings like these possibly would do quite well on Etsy because they're a little bit different, a little bit quirky. So I'm just going to dive a little bit deeper into what I've just said. What you really need to do is niche down when you're on Etsy. So with those earrings, for example, the company that sells them, they're very celestial based. They have a lot of crescent moons and stars. So what they could do is market specifically to that niche. It doesn't have to be a specifically unique product, but you can market it and niche it down that way. Shopify, I wouldn't recommend for people starting out, to be honest, because you have to drive all your own traffic. Anyone starting out will know it's quite hard to gain a lot of followers straight up and a lot of sales straight up. So I wouldn't recommend driving your own traffic straight away because it can be quite difficult unless you really know what you're doing and you know what marketing is and you know how to get your name out there really quickly. I definitely recommend Shopify for someone that's already established, already doing well, driving their own sales. It is a great platform, super easy to use. So I've got some pros for Shopify that relate back to Etsy. So Shopify offers Afterpay, ZipPay, and a heap of other payment options, which Etsy don't. Etsy only offer the simple credit card, debit card, PayPal. They only offer a very select range. Whereas Shopify, you can have so many different ways to purchase. It's amazing. They have no product restrictions on Shopify, whereas Etsy's only handmade. You can sell anything you like on Shopify. Shopify has add-ons, like little apps that you can add on to your plan, or that sometimes they can be free as well. That's something that Etsy doesn't have. In my opinion, Shopify has better analytics. I quite prefer reading all of those on the Shopify account rather than my Etsy account. I feel like they're more in depth. Even though I'm on the basic plan, there is a lot of information there. With your own website like Shopify, you are more branded, so you can customize everything from the font to the color to the banner at the top. It's all about your brand. With Etsy, everyone sort of seems the same, very similar in pages. Like you've only got really your profile picture and your cover photo, which differ to each and every other person on Etsy. So yeah, the branding is quite a big thing on Shopify or any other platform. I've got some cons for Shopify that are also related to Etsy. It is so hard to have a sale on my Shopify page. With the design that I've chosen for my website, I cannot easily have a sale. If I do click on have a sale and go through that way, it only applies when you're in the cart, which is really annoying for people. I know it's annoying for me as a buyer. If I was on a website that said they had a sale 30% off and I couldn't see how much that item was with 30% off, I would be very deterred to put it into my actual basket than to see the actual end price. So it's really frustrating for me. To do my sales, I literally have to go and mark every single item at a sale price and then a compare at price. So I have over 600 items on my Shopify store. You can select them all with shift, but because most of my items are a different price, it takes ages to do one sale. So, and then you have to take it off as well. So you have to go back in there and change all the prices back. That is one thing that is really annoying with Shopify compared to Etsy. Etsy, you just click on a button and everything's on sale, or you can mark different items on sale. In saying that, lots of people might have a different design to me, so they might be able to do sales more easily. With Shopify, you have to use an app, like an add-on, to do your invoices and your packing slips, which is really frustrating because the only one that I found that was free is now paid. So you need to pay after a certain amount of orders is printed. So it's very frustrating. At the moment, because I just did all my face masks. I am paying about $15 USD to have packing slips and the pick lists in one app. But with Etsy, obviously you have it already pre-installed. All you got to do is click on the orders that you want to print out. Then you click print. Yeah, and it's just so much easier that way. And they also look better in my opinion. Another con for Shopify is they have a monthly cost regardless of if you sell anything. I'm on the $29 a month plan. And don't get too excited, that is USD, so it usually costs me between $50 to $70, depending on the currency when it fluctuates during the month. It can be quite expensive, but as I said in the previous video with my Etsy shop, I am saving a lot more money than if I was just plainly doing Etsy. But for someone just starting out, that is a lot of product, a lot of money to be spending. But if you're just starting out, it's a lot cheaper with Etsy because there is no monthly cost. It is if you sell an item, you will be charged. Besides the startup fee, which would be your listings, which are about 30 cents Australian dollar per listing. Besides that startup cost, you're not getting charged this monthly big lump sum. You're getting charged only when you sell items. So that does work out a lot cheaper for someone that's only selling 10 products. Whereas if you're selling 100 products per month, very much better off going with Shopify. And then an obvious one for Shopify is you have to drive your own traffic. There is no inbuilt system that you can just search scrunchies and it will magically pop up. That is a con for Shopify because you do need to know a little bit about marketing. But Etsy has its own inbuilt search function, so you can search scrunchies and 1,000, 2,000 will pop up. Probably more than that. I haven't looked lately. You're much more likely to be found on Google if someone types in scrunchies. They'll click on Etsy and it will have the scrunchies next to it usually, and I will come up all the scrunchies. Whereas if someone's just typing scrunchies into Google, they very likely won't find your actual website. When setting up a Shopify store, it takes forever. Although it is quite easy and simplistic, it does involve a lot of hard work and a lot of different things to get it to work. Whereas Etsy is very, very straightforward, super easy, and a lot less complicated. Both Shopify and Etsy are quite easy to establish, but Shopify definitely took me personally 2 weeks to upload. And that was with copying my 300 listings from Etsy over to my Shopify. Like that was already copied over, so I didn't have to go in and set up all my listings or anything. It still took me 2 weeks. It was a very big mission. Whereas Etsy, when I first started out, and I probably had maybe 20 items and only took me a day to upload everything and set up my whole Etsy store. I also found with Shopify, their customer service is amazing. They are really quick to respond, really helpful, really insightful. Etsy, on the other hand, takes days to respond. They can be helpful, but it depends on what you're asking. And in general, their service is very bad. Yeah, I've just found Etsy to be quite terrible in responding in time and in the manner in they respond. Probably better off asking Etsy communities if you have questions. So that is my take on Etsy versus Shopify. I hope that gave a little bit of an insight as to some pros and cons of Shopify and how they relate back to Etsy. Just to reiterate, I love both of the platforms. They are amazing. I would recommend either, but it depends on your business as to which one you should choose. It depends on where you're at, on what you're selling, and what's more convenient for you. A lot of people will choose Etsy even if they are an established business and won't go off to a different website, and that's completely okay. A lot of people go straight for a specific website rather than going with Etsy, and that's okay too. It just depends on what you want to do and how you want to run your business. So I hope this did help a little bit in the choice that you may have in the future for Etsy or Shopify, or if you already have an Etsy or already have a Shopify. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'll be making more content related to business and tutorials, tips and tricks of the trade. I have been running Madebytaylahrose for almost 7 years, so I know a little bit about this and that. Not everything, it may be helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching and I hope you have a great day.